we already know about the logical operators we have discussed in the JavaScript. So what are the use of logical operators? What is logical
And
operator? What are the
or
logical operators
not.
we have? And,
And
or,
operator.
not. Right? These three things we have. What is and? What is and?
If both the inputs are true, then output is true, sir.
Yes, both inputs are true, output will be true.
True.
Right? So here we need to understand the case. Okay. So now same thing is there in the SQL also. Okay, and or not operators, we have this. After that, we have some other operators too. In SQL, I will tell you what are the operators we have. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the and condition here. Okay, so now where employee ID is equal to 1, okay, and full name is equal to something like DSC. Okay, I'm just giving randomly DSC. Okay, equal to DSC, exact matching, equal to in the sense exact matching, where it is matching exactly that particular DSC, so it will fetch. Okay, so now tell me, I'm just executing this. Okay, so I didn't get any results. Am I right? I didn't get any results. Results is empty. Why empty?
There is no that value.
Yes, that means employee ID 1, it is there, but in the same row there is no full name value called DSC. This is a false value. Am I right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why this particular data is not fetched. The result is false. So there is no output, right? So now I'm going to use ABC. Okay, so ABC, I'm just giving go. Okay, now it is fetched because employer 1 also true, full name ABC also true. Both are true, output is coming, right?
Yes.
Result is coming, right? So this is what and condition. You understood, right? We already know this, but query wise we need to write like this only. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Fine. Coming to the next. Okay. Next one thing is or. Or means what?
If any one input is true, then output is true, sir.
That is true.
Any one input is true, output will be true. So now tell me, I'm just giving here the old thing, that means DSC. Okay, so now I'm just executing this. You can see I got the output with this employee ID because employee ID is true value. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Employee ID is true, so it is giving me the results. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Okay, so now what is not?
Opposite to input, sir. Complement.
Okay, where I need to use in the sense immediate to the where class, where not employee ID is equal to 1. Okay, I'm just removing it. Only one column you can able to use, not multiple columns. Okay, and condition or condition also you can use. Next condition, if you want to use uncondition or condition also you can use for length query. Okay, so now shall I start from employee where not employee ID is equal to 1. Now what are the data will be fetched?
Remaining three values.
That means except employee ID 1, all other values will be fetched.
Muted.
Right? Correct only, na? So let's see. I'm just clicking on grow. So you can see except the employee ID 1, all other values are fetched. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is what the condition states, right? Fine. Now this is logical operator. We have one more operator called like operator. Okay, we have one operator called like. Okay, so where I can use that, how I can use it in the sense with this var class only. So we need to use it with like operator name. Okay, so where employee ID or else like I will take just full name because that is having some okay, where full name particular field, okay, full name field like operator name is like. So we have some separate syntaxes for this like. Okay, we have some separate syntaxes. Okay, for example, how I can check in the sense we need to use colon, sorry, quotes, single quotes. Okay, within the single quotes we need to mention the particular character which we want to check. Okay, so how we can check in a different kinds of manner. Okay, for example, a percentile, we need to use percentile. Okay, so this syntax means a in the sense like I'm just checking the a character. Okay, so you can use anything. Okay, so percentile symbol, why we need to mention the sense, so we are going to check whether in this particular full name field any name is starting with the letter called a. Okay, so this is what this particular syntax meaning. So character followed by percentile symbol, that is mean that, so it is checking that whether this particular character is starting in any of the full name value, any of the full name value. That's what it's meaning. Okay, now I'm just clicking go. You can see
Sir, your voice is breaking.
starting
Your voice is
this
breaking.
particular a. Am I right? Are you able to hear? Hello.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Your voice is not.
Let me connect. Wait a minute. Hello. Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Right. So now you understood, right? This particular like operator, right? So we have another parameter syntaxes as well. So I have used this percentile after the character. Okay, now if I use before the character, what does this mean in the sense? It will check whether any full name value is ending by a. Whether any full name field is ending by a. So that's why, that's what it will check. Okay, so are you able to understand this, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is what, like if it is anything is ending by a, it will return. So nothing, no value is ending by a, so it is giving me empty results. It's giving me empty results. Okay, so now if I use percentile in both sides, front as well as back, okay, that means it will check whether any full name values having the a character. Okay, it will check any full name values having the a character. Okay, so that's what. Now you can see, I'm just clicking on go. So you can see only this full name value is having a character. Any one of like in between or beginning or end, wherever a is present in that particular full name value, so it will return all the results. That's what this meaning. Percentile symbol both front and back side. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay, so now one more case. Okay, if I use underscore followed by character followed by percentile symbol, okay, that means whether any value is having second letter as a, second character as a. Okay, because first character the empty underscore, empty space we have given, so empty underscore we have given, so it will check for first character. Second character, if it is anything is a, so that result will be fetched from the first. It will check from the first beginning. Okay, so from the beginning any second values with a character called a, so that value will be fetched. This is the fourth scenario. This is the fourth scenario in like operator. Are you able to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see no value, empty results. Fine. Now again, okay, if I use percentile a underscore, okay, what does this mean? That means same thing from the backward direction, from the end, whether any character is having, any value is having second letter as a from the last, backward direction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what we need to understand this case. So no values. Okay, just check with the example. Okay, we'll be having multiple data. Like just check with an example. Understood these cases? We can
Yes,
use
sir.
double underscore also. Okay, we can use double underscore. Double underscore means like any of the third character. Okay, we have only double underscore, triple underscore are not available. Single underscore, double underscore, you can use it. It will check third character is A or not from the last. And beginning also, you can change the position, you can check it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Coming to the next case. Okay, so next one more operator we are having. That is like in operator. Okay, in operator, I hope we discussed in JavaScript for loop. I remember, right? For in loop. Did you remember? Anyone remember the for in loop in JavaScript, which I explained?
Yes, sir.
What are the use of that? It will check the values present or not. If the value is present, it will take into the for loop, right? So here also, this particular in operator is to check multiple values. Okay, because using employee ID equal to 1, we can able to check only one value. But here we can give multiple values. Employee ID in 1, 2, 3. Can give multiple values by comma separated values. Okay, so what will happen? It will fetch all the three values. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
It will fetch all the three values. That's it. This is the use of this case. Just kind of loop only. Just kind of loop only. So whatever the value is present in that in keyword, so that in operator, that all the values will be fetched. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, and then next operator. Okay, so next we have the simple thing called between. Between means what? Generic meaning only. Between means
Value is available between.
yes. So between employee ID between 1, we need to use the condition here compulsorily, logical condition 1 and 3. 1 and 3, and then let me know whether it will fetch 1 also, 3 also, and 2 also, or it will fetch only 2 with this condition.
Only two.
Okay, let me execute this case. You can see how many values it fetched. It's fetched all the values. It should take that particular thing because we have mentioned it 1 and 3. Am I right? So that input it should take along with the in between value. Okay. So now if I mention 1 and 4, okay, it should fetch all the values. Clear? It fetched all the values. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now coming to this next case, okay, we have some basic aggregation function. Okay, like min and max. Minimum means what? Min function. I think this we already know. Simple function only. Where I need to use this min and max in the sense in the column names, not in the conditions. We need to use in the column names initial itself. Okay. So for example, select maximum. It will be only the aggregation function, mathematical function will be the integer or float columns. Okay, so where you're having that like select maximum of employee ID, max value of the employee ID. So max value, what is the max value here?
4.
4. Okay, it should fetch only 4, right? You can see it fetched only that particular 4. Okay, it won't give you the exact all the columns because we have mentioned only one column. We are not used to star. So if you use star, how you can use in the sense select max ID comma employee ID star. Here you can mention star. Okay, comma you need to mention and then you need to put a star so that it will fetch all the columns. It is not taking. Yeah, okay, fine, no issues. So this particular max function is not taking. You can give the column names separately also. I hope it will take. Email ID. Yes, so this is how only you need to fetch this case, whatever the employee details you want to fetch it. Okay, likewise we have min. Okay, so these are the basic aggregation function which will be used only in integer column as well as in the float values, decimal values. Okay, double, wherever the number related values are there, we can use that case. Okay, so now next we have some other cases like average. What? I don't have any column. Okay, you can use mobile if you want. Or the column name. Well, okay. So average in the sense what? What do we mean of average? It will add all the values and then it will divide by the total count, right? That's what average, right? So it will give you the average, right? And also sum. So this will be mostly will be taken care with the individual column. Sum means total value. So it has added all the mobile number values. You can see. Okay, it will fetch only first row because that is the calculation will be happen with all the other rows, all the other row values, right? So now, and then finally we have the count. What is count? This is different. Like count in the sense it will count that value. Okay, you can see we have the 4 mobile numbers, so discounted that values. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till now?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No. Okay. Fine. Next we have some basic things, basic sorting related things. You might know that order by things, right? So what is the use of order by?
Ascending or descending.
Right, ascending, sorting, right? Low value to high value to low value, right? Ascending order, descending order. Okay, so we have the keyword called order by. Okay, I'm just ordering by it. Employee ID initially in default ascending order. That means small value to high value. Okay, you can see the arrow mark. Okay, how it is displaying because it is shorter, so that's why the arrow mark is displaying. Are you able to see this? So we have shorted based
Yes,
on
sir.
employee ID, so that's why this arrow mark is displaying. Okay, so initially in default it will sort based on ascending order. Okay, if I want descending order, we can mention one more keyword called DESC. That means descending short keyword. Okay, so descending in the sense high value to low value. You can see it is shorted to high value to low value. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I want to short it two columns at the same time. Okay, employee ID, comma, email ID, both case. In this case, how it will work? How it will work? How it will work? Simple logic.
It's first alphabetic letter.
No, let me tell you. So first step, it will sort along with first column only, employee ID. Okay. If the first column value and then second column values are matched, okay, if the first column values are the same or second column values are also same, then
Then go
it
to
will try
next
to
one.
sort it. Okay, then only it will go to second
Next.
column. Okay, otherwise the sorting will be done based on only first column. Understood? Clear now? So then only it will start merging of the second column. The values are equal, then only it will start merging of second column as well. Then it will sort wherever the values are matched, that will be sorted at the first. Values wherever the values are different, that will be sorted at the end. Understood, right? What I meant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what ascending, descending cases. This is simple. Okay. And then finally we have the thing called group by. Okay. Group by means what? So group by simple things. Okay. So group by in the sense wherever we have the similar values in one of the columns. For example, there will be salary column. Okay. There will be a salary column, monthly salary column. So in that, like 5 employees will be having the same salary. Right.
Okay.
For example, right? What will happen? It will group all the 5 employee details into one single thing based on the salary. Okay, simple. Let me execute this case. Select group by. Here there will be no common things. Let me edit the common things. For example, here also I will put ABC. Okay, so click go. Okay, now two values are with ABC. Am I right? Now what I'm doing, I'm going to count the employee ID. We should use this aggregation function when we use this group by. That is important. Then only we can fetch that number of details, count details. Okay, group by full name, because in full name only I got the similar values. Okay, full name. Okay, so now what will happen? See, I'm just executing with that output. You can able to understand. Okay, so you can see the first full name ABC. It's having two count. Right? Because first data and second data both are having ABC. Am I right?
Yes.
Hello?
Sorry guys, sorry, I got a call. Are you able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now you understood, right? What are the use of this group by? So it is just to having the data. Okay, so we won't directly fetch this. Okay, so we need to have the counts. Okay, so for example, in you have the dashboards in your project, right? In dashboard, the counts are displaying, right?
Yes, sir.
The total counts. Okay, maybe seen that. So how we can do this with this kind of queries. Understood? So you need to use this kind of queries to do fetch that count, fetch the details of the data, individual data. Okay, so this is very important case. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so I have pending with this joints. Okay, the only that is pending.
లేదు ఆ కాల్ ఎంత కాల్ వచ్చింది, నాకు అదే డౌట్ వచ్చింది. తేజ కాల్ వచ్చిందండి, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ కాల్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది అందుకే.
Right, sorry, I'm getting repeatedly meeting calls. So voice is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I need to join the meeting. Fine. Now it's clear, right? Like we have pending with the joins. So we'll create 2 or 3 tables, extra tables. Okay. Before the session, I will create it, and then we'll create a foreign key relationship also along with this employee ID, like salary table and leaves table. I will create, and then along with this foreign key relationship, we'll do that because the foreign key relationship is needed for joins. Okay, SQL joins. So that is a pending case in SQL. If we completed that, SQL is completed, then we immediately go for the PHP backend. Okay, before that, you make sure your design is completed. You have converted that into PHP. AMP servers is installed, and then you have created all the tables in the MySQL. So these things should to be completed by this week itself. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so this all the things should be completed. Then only the PHP backend, it won't take much time. It will take only 3 days, maximum 3 days. Okay, I'm going to explain only the CRUD operations. Okay, CRUD operations with that basic web development need. Okay, because you people are weird, I'm not going to deep into Laravel or coding needed, not like that. Only for the web development process, I'm going to explain that cases. Okay, so that's why I clearly explain the front end things, including JavaScript, along with PHP backend, core PHP, and then this MySQL. So this everything should be important. We have the client requirement, so try to practice well, try to practice much technical part. Okay, interview related questions. So I will ask your HR team also to monitor these things. Okay, so we will get scheduled interviews by maximum December start. Okay, so to prepare well, do well. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right, so that's what. If you have any doubt, anything, you can directly ping me in the group. Okay, try to design the project, try to complete it fully. You need to showcase your project in the interviews
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
dynamically. Okay, dynamically, that is very important. Okay, so make sure that is completely, design should be good, including landing pages, right? So you need to register it. You need to, like, if they want to explain the project, just ask them a request, like I will share my screen and I will show the project demo itself, like that. And then from the beginning, like registration, login, admin dashboard, user dashboard, what are the things are available, what are the modules are available, just explain it in a good manner. Okay, so this is what we need. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so fine. We'll see maximum tomorrow. I'll not able. I'm traveling to Bangalore, so we'll see. Okay, if I'm available, I will connect. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.